Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to clean your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE earbuds. So actually the first thing you have to do is getting yourself maybe not the cleaner itself, but of course I do recommend getting the cleaner, but I do recommend getting some soft brush. So get yourself this, for example, this soft brush, or just have a brush, maybe some isopropyl alcohol. I don't have it with me here, so let's not care about that. And maybe this thing over here, because it's, as you can see, very tight and very small. So get yourself these things. I do recommend buying, for example, on Timo, on AliExpress, on every website like that, small cleaner set of cleaning tools for your electronic devices. Without alcohol, you can buy alcohol by yourself, of course. And now, don't use water. And the first thing we're gonna do is to brush it like over here and here. Just brush it. Of course, here you can use alcohol, don't worry, nothing will be damaged. And as you can see, I can't fit this brush in this hole. It's here. I don't know why Samsung did this, because it's hard to clean, maybe because of that. But as I can see, I can fit this tool right here, so you can do the same. And yeah, you can just do something like this and clean this all here. Don't use much alcohol, just a little tip, just a little like on this spray, just a little, and clean it over here. As for the inside, it's good. Now let's focus here. If you do see this brush, for example, you can just brush it like this without using force. Now everything should be clean. Use different kind of brushes. You can use the printing brush, of course, too, but of course it has to be soft, like this one, not this like very tough one, because it can damage your earbuds and it will be bad. Apart from that, here, as you can see, we do have this hole, and the speaker, and you can just brush it like here without alcohol. Earbuds, we have to clean earbuds without alcohol. You can here clean the microphone area, right, like over here. ANC and in-ear sensors. We have another brush, for example, like this, and here you can use some paper. You can, maybe not paper, but you can use some microfiber cloth, so that you can just have bigger area of cleaning it. And do the same to this second bud, and everything should be nice. Try doing it delicately without using much strength, and you will be good to go. Here, as for my cleaner, I bought this cleaner on Timo actually for $5, and of course without the delivery fee. So with the delivery it was something about $7.50, maybe more, but it's maybe for some it's a cost. I can't really exclude it, but if you really want to have your earbuds cleaned, fresh and shiny, I do recommend buying some cleaner like this to your home. Of course, if you can't buy it yourself, you can just use different tools, like for example, as I said, painting brush or something like that. But of course, you have to do it more delicately then. But that's it for this video. I hope now that your earbuds are fresh, clean and good to use, and of course that you didn't damage them. You have to watch out for these tips, because they can be easily damaged. So yeah, don't use water, as I said. And that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.